Uh, Good morning. So we almost going to reach the main city Shillong, Madan Rating. This is Laikur. So our brother is also here. What's your name, brother?
My name is Milagun Sai.
Milagun Sai, and he's asking
Yeah.
why you
Why working?
why we walking. So brother, we walking because we the Tiprasa, the son of soils and the indigenous peoples of Tripura, we lost our lands because of the influx of the illegal migration. So many refugees and illegal migration from Bangladesh, they are coming to our state and they make the voter IDs, Aadhaar cards, and they became majority, and the local peoples they became minority. Because of that, we lost our political rights. So majority must be granted now. So the majority is the legal migrants, and they have political rights, they have economic, social, everything in their hand. So that's why it's a long pending demand of our Tripura peoples. So our Maharaja of Tripura, Maharaja Pratap Vikram Kishore Manikya, he also started a movement from since
How
2019.
many days you have been working, brother?
Huh?
How many days you have been working?
We already worked 16 days, approx 16 days, and so it's almost 450 kilometers up to Shillong, 470 maybe.
What state is this located?
Huh? No, we have to go in Delhi. Our destination is Delhi, so it's against the illegal migration. This protest is. So we want to aware the central government, and we have one demand. Greater Tripura, Greater Tripura in separate state, and like before that, maybe 1968 or 70s, this Meghalaya is also under the Assam. In that time, the Meghalaya peoples are not independent. They have no political rights. They are minority in Assam. So Captain William Samma is fighting for the separate Meghalaya. That's why now you get your Meghalaya state. So like that, we are also demanding a greater Tripura land. And our so many lands are now under the Bangladesh. So this is called the plain Tripura. When India is divided, in that time, our plain land that goes under the East Pakistan means the Bangladesh. So and so many illegal migrants are also coming in Tripura. So that is the main fact. And now central government before 18 months ago, central government, they promised us and they make tripartite accord along with our Tiprasa peoples and through Maharaja Pratap Vikram Kishore Manikya, state government, Tiprasa peoples and the central government. There is a tripartite accord. The name of that accord is Tiprasa Accord, and they promise to fulfill this accord within the 6 months. But it's already 18 months. Already 18 months. It's crossing 18 months also, 18-19 months. So they forget their promise. So that's why. So we want to again remind them. Want to remind them their promises. That's why this is a long march, historical long march, which was launched by myself and so many people. They are supporting this march, Tripura peoples. And many Khasi and Jaintia peoples, brothers, sisters, they are also supporting this, and they are showing their solidarity along with us. So it's this fourth march is following the principle of Gandhi. Okay. I am following the principle of Gandhi, so it's Gandhian principle. By the Gandhian principle, I am protesting this.
Okay.
So thank you very much for asking. So once again, I want to ask you, what's your name?
Milagun Sai.
Your house is nearby, na?
Yeah, nearby.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kublai. So, borok sangga, mungkin borno sai mak narga. Buci ka bobo? Buci mak hamlo na bobo. Okay. Logerok, bayrok, wan subinai de, borne habu salsa, alada raja kiri, kiaba Captain William Sangma Songprok fight kema bay, borok Meghalaya state manka, tak borok yok jaka chingsa saha slai jak thangka kabang borok sawagi belai bigra kri tomoni tabok o bisi puri doks ni bisi puri ngai bisi kuri sa
75
kay aboni yagolo no borok tabok chingsa sa sabai nungya or no one of the biggest tourist destination of Northeast. Biggest tourist destination of Northeast of Tabok. Turning Tangapon state. So, we don't ask if on Kabai base the Ibrasa rock. Okasia Bosong, Okasia leader rock, Okasia Neta rock. Nor one sock the Dankay. Tamni bagai ani yatek thupu ani bagai di yatek thupu na norne bagai thupu omlo one sok desi one tarok okay sing sini hakki pili mana bagai try to makai nai tam manai mai abo likok kintu choba to khaima to nai choba khai oi komori thama sai choba khai komori thama nim chau choba khai oi si komor na hinga ke amo hangke sini bosabotai na sing kam hamjang maklai ba sini bosabotai na bomutai ha sing borona present rek lama maklai ba nasigi nai ji sini dopani dirman no otam sana boibo nasigi tong keba ba monayo keba ba maya nangjau keba khairok jago keba sing sewan sunar biya so buskangot sing joton nai sing nai Norok joton file de so bo jaga bathak leni kamang dara isa sai rahe
alo godam nearest
ni kana custom custom rock no money kana wa office ajaga na gini so bathak nai ke joton phebe jade so norok phai ar bathak de angaro sopai phano anga na gini mane kiseres na sines come by so thank you very much.